In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, pinch your device's display, hit widgets at the bottom, scroll to find Google app, and when you find it, click on it. Then look for search bar widget, and when you find it, use add widget button at the bottom. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!